Hello friends, today I am going to tell you basic formatting of Google Sheet. So in your Google Drive you can create a new sheet and you can make formatting accordingly as per your wish. First of all, herein you can write the name of the file. Okay, after writing and saving the name, you can see all changes are automatically saved. So herein in first column you can write things. So I have created 3 columns as of now. So I will write the name, their favorite color, their pet, so here I will just merge these cells. I will put them first in center. It's not looking good. Then I will color them. I will also color these columns. This is just the basic formatting, and if you want to learn, I will tell you about them in my other upcoming tutorials in depth. So these are the columns. I think it's very dark color. So let's select lighter one. So now I will merge all of them using this select merge type. Merge all. So it looks looking like this, but it's okay to make this like this. Click on merge horizontally and it's going like this. It's not looking good. I will click on Ctrl Z. Let's it be okay. And if you want to add any further column or row, you can do it simply writing it. It works like your Excel file, MS Excel file, but in Google Sheet it is everything is online and it is automatically accessible from anywhere you want. from any system you want. You just need to log into your Google account and go to Drive and find your file. So this is a basic formatting. If you want to add any numbers and add some of them, then you can also do this. And just click here on sum. You can see formula edit and its sum is showing here. So it's pretty simple thing which you can also do. And in case you face any problem in this basic formatting, you can use all these functions which are showing in the bar here, like sum and all these formulas and this bold, italic, this default. These are like Excel. If you have used Excel already, then you can easily use it, or in case you have not used it, you may face some problem, or you can just comment below. I will try my best to resolve your query. And herein you can see I am in sheet 1. You can just click on add sheet. It will be added here, like sheet 2 and sheet 3. I have worked on sheet 1 as of now. You can also work on sheet 2 or sheet 3 as per your requirement. You can see you can click on duplicate, rename, change color. You can do so many things by clicking these options. So in case you want any query, just let me know and I will try my best to resolve your query. And this is the just basic formatting of Google Sheet, and I think this video is helpful for you. In case you want to know anything, just get in touch with me. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.